Picture yourself in the 2022 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, lane keeping assist, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, aluminum wheels. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.